Welcome, here I've got Realme 7i and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we tap on this button we get access to 3 other buttons we can manage. Now let's pick the settings from the right to open the advanced camera settings, and here in the general category we have the location option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or the mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to this button that follows us straight to the gallery. This is our photo. To check its location, let's move to the right corner at the bottom to more. Here we have to pick the details, and at the third position we have the full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.